Hello everyone, I am John Elvie Palero and this is my vlog about me sharing my advocacies with you all. So naalala ko lang noong nag-iisip ako ng advocacy, I was happy at that moment pero hindi ko lang siya na-film na nagbe-brainstorming ako because hindi ko na siya naisip during that time. But here's the few clips of mine during that moment. So masaya ako nung mga time na yon kasi hindi na ako nahihirapan na mag-provide ng advocacy or mag-advocate ng isang bagay para lang makapagbigay ng impact sa maraming tao. Masaya ako kasi kahit nasa maliit na paraan or sa simpleng paraan is makakapagbigay ako ng simple pero informative na advocacy. So, yung naisip kong advocacy is simple lang. Yung napili ko ay mag-provide ng safety precautions about something na mga katulong sa pang-araw-araw nating ginagawa. Hindi lang para sa ating mga nurses, kung hindi para sa iba ring mga tao. So, yun. Nakakatuwa na may impact yun kahit na maliit lang and hindi mo na kailangan ng bongga and grande na advocacy para lang makapagbigay ng may malawak na progress sa isang tao. So, yun. So, naalala ko lang, during our first year is may activity kami about safety precautions. At yung napili naming type ng safety precaution is hand washing. And mamaya ipapakita ko yung some of clips nung ginawa naming output. So, more than the compliance is gusto ko talagang i-share yon sa mas wide na audience. Kaya pinost ko siya sa TikTok na umabot ng 400,000 views and 40,000 likes. And ginawa ko yun para mapakita ko yung kahalagahan nung ginawa namin. Kasi mahalaga naman talaga ito, especially sa health. And to give it a justice, and since meron kaming project na magagawa ng advocacy, ginamit ko tong way na to at pinost ko siya sa iba pang social media platforms para ma-utilize ko yung paggamit nito at maipakita ko to sa mas malawak pang audience. And pinost ko siya sa iba't iba pang social media like Facebook app. And ayun, natutuwa ako kasi pwede nila mapanood yon anytime and anywhere and makakapag-gain sila ng knowledge about that. And masaya ako sa ginawa ko because in the end of the day, yung kahalagahan or yung purpose naman talaga nung ginagawa na to was to provide awareness and to share information sa mga tao.
From following these very easy steps, you could free yourself from illness. Guided by the given process, you could stop the spread of diseases. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ako ba'y may sakit na ha? Oh no, I need to wash my hands, cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw masama siya, magmula nang naghugis ka, mawawala ng pangangamba, pag kamay mo'y malinis na. So grab your soaps and alcohol, para mawala ang mikrobyo. Keep your hands free from the dirt, to keep that smile on your face. Three-hand hygiene and hand rubbing, it is an important thing. Three-hand hygiene and hand rubbing, it is an important thing.
Aside from posting our video, is naisip ko na hindi lang ako dapat tumigil doon. Kaya nag-isip ako na gumawa ng informative pamphlet about hand washing na pwede kong ipamigay para makatulong pa sa iba. But before doing the process of making the informative pamphlet, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung slice of my life this past few weeks kasi kahit busy, marami pa rin nangyari sa buhay ko na worth sharing.
Pero madami pa namang plans na
para bang ang hirap mong hawakan, pero kahit na tinanong ko pa rin ang number mo, kasi baka mamaya gigimik kami, pwede ka ba maging partner ko? Nung nakita tayo parang may iba,
Following this very easy steps, you could feel guided by the given process. You could subscribe of diseases. Sabay kong nadarama, ang shock sa buhay may sakit na. All know I need to watch my hands, cause boy, it feels so good. Nakakalawa sa masaya, wala kang pesa. Wala lang ang namabaw, huwag naman mo'y matiis na. So grab yourself sa natural, para mo malapit. Keep your eyes keep from the good, keep that smile on your face. Keep my passion in my mind, keep this silent for the thing. Keep my passion in my mind, keep this silent for the thing.
Slides of heaven. It's the only place we're living. We're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime. You and I, everything to do. Who cares?
So, that's it guys. I'm so happy and I'm so fulfilled na mabahagi ko sa inyo yung process at yung progress ng advocacy ko. And I hope na sana hindi siya mag-end because as time goes by, sana mas marami pa yung informasyon at yung awareness na may bibigay ko sa ibang tao. And I want you guys to remember na sa maliit o malaking paraan, basta may magandang impact sa maraming tao, just keep on going and just keep on striving. Kasi alam ko na on everything you do, I know guys that you are all amazing. Bye!